Okay, you first load up the box. This is what you'll see on your screen. Okay, give it a second. Alright, so before you do anything, you know that you need to go to settings and either connect to Wi-Fi, go to network there. Either you connect to Wi-Fi or through Ethernet cable. Alright, I always do the Ethernet option because it's faster. Your box tends to be a lot more stable than that. Alright, so just to show you, let me hit backspace here. Alright, so this is where you're going to want to go, this KD player. Okay, I believe it's the same one as this one here, this icon here. Okay, all these other ones are extras, and if you want to manage this, click this plus sign here. Okay, and you'll see all the ones that are available. Okay, so I'll close this. You're never going to use that. Film on the system, you don't need that. Alright, so you can add, so for example you want to add a Twitter account or your Netflix, click that, and so you see that check mark there, and just click on escape or home from your remote. Okay, now you're back here. As you can see, it's a bit cleaned up. I removed some stuff that you don't need, and I've added Netflix. If you want to download more, right, all you have to do is go to Google Store and download whatever you want. However, before doing that, you need to connect your email address so that Google will know it's you. Alright, so you won't be able to download anything until you do this. Alright, so I'm not going to go through that. Alright, so inside Kodi, once you click on that K, that orange K there, you'll be taken to the main interface for everything. Okay, like I showed you earlier, you get something like this. Just click on dismiss. All right, you don't need to update, you don't need to do any of that. Please do not update. Your box automatically updates for you, so you don't need to do any of that. As a matter of fact, you see that right there at the bottom right corner of the screen, you will see certain add-ons that are being updated. You'll see that. So when you see something like that, just let it go, please. Just let it do its thing. This is the first time we're using your box, so when you get something like this, just click OK, but please do not update. You will wipe out everything if you do that. Okay, don't reset, don't update. Just click on OK. Alright, so now it's back in action. You see at the bottom right corner, it's updating again. You'll get this the first time you turn on your box, because it will basically, it's brand new, you're breaking it in. Alright, so just let it go. I have another video that talks about which of these add-ons are good for movies. Exodus, like I said, is anything that is movie related or shows. You know, Exodus is the place that you're gonna want to go. Okay, so let me test out a show for you. Say for example, let's check out the most popular shows. Okay, let me play it so that you can see it in action. Iron Fist, Game of Thrones, for example. Game of Thrones have been around for maybe I would say I don't know, like, hang on a second. Oops, sorry. When it's updating, just let it go. Okay, don't touch it. I'm actually going against what I'm preaching here, but when it's doing its update, just leave it. It takes about 3 to 5 minutes and you're all good to go. So right now I'm sort of interfering with what it's doing, all these updates. So I'm just gonna let it go. Okay, I'm gonna come back in a couple of minutes. Okay, I'm gonna pause the video and come back. Okay, I'm back. Let's go back to most popular. See what shows are available. Okay, let's try Game of Thrones. All right, so let's check out the latest season 6. I guess they've been around for 6 years. check out the last one. I guarantee you this is the latest episode. Okay, let's click on that. Just give it a couple of seconds. Okay, it'll give you some sources to watch the videos. Give it a second. It's taking a bit longer than usual. Okay, anyway, it's busy time right now. All right, so these are the sources, right? So what this will do, you can start from top. Okay, if that doesn't work, then it will go to the next one. It'll do its thing. All right, so there you go. The first one I tried, it worked. So you'll see at the bottom right corner it says working. Just leave it. Okay, you'll see it right there. It will say working. So just leave it and it'll come on. There you go. An HD version of Game of Thrones right there on your TV. Okay, again, please watch the other videos that I sent you. They should teach you everything you need to know. And thank you.